Hello everyone, today we do French classic soup, Vichyssoise. I'm gonna make it with crispy potato dices, chili puree and poached egg. So take a seat and let's start it. The first thing I have to prepare is the leek, so I will trim it on the top and the bottom. Chop it into smaller pieces and then wash it properly. I start with butter inside the pot and then it comes leeks on the top. Now it's important to cook it on very low heat because you don't want to get any color there. Now I chop some garlic and anchovies. In the original recipe there are not garlic and anchovies, but I like them in, so I use them. But if you want to do classic recipe, don't put them in. But the thing you need is bouquet garni, so I close thyme and bay leaf inside a piece of leek and keep it on the side for later. At this time, I put garlic and anchovies in, season it with salt and pepper and keep sweating. Now I peel 2 potatoes and chop them a little bit, in the best case to the same size. The last step is to put them in. Also put bouquet garni, cover it with chicken stock, and I'm gonna cook everything until the potatoes will be soft. Next thing I will make is chili puree, so I chop some fresh chili and also red bell peppers. You can adjust the ratio depending on how much you like the spicy. I leave the seeds in the chilies, but not in the bell peppers, of course. Then I start with a little bit of sugar on the pan and make brown caramel. Put the peppers on the top and I'm gonna cook everything until the vegetable will be a bit soft and caramelized. Then I put white wine vinegar in, reduce it down, season it with garlic powder, salt and pepper. Cover it with water and cook it until peppers will be soft. At this time, are my potatoes soft? So I put some double cream in, bring it to boil. Take out the bouquet garni and I'm gonna blitz it properly. I also pass it through the chinois. And I see that my soup is a bit thicker as I would like to be. So I put some water, also put a little bit more salt, and the soup is ready to go. And guys, stop asking me for recipes for things like this soup. They're never gonna be here because I don't even use any. You are completely able to do this soup without any measurements. This is what I want you to do. Just use your common sense, experiment a little bit, and maybe adjust recipes for your taste. Maybe do some mistakes, but stop copying exact recipes and start cooking, and you will improve much faster. So the peppers are cooked enough, so I move them inside the blender. Also put piece of butter and blend it properly. Pass it through the chinois and get it ready inside the bottle. For my garnish, I wanna make crispy potato dices. So I have to peel some potatoes first and then chop nice dices. First I'm gonna cook them inside the boiling water for 1 minute. Then spread them on the paper towel and leave them to cool down and dry. Last step is to fry them until they get nice color and become crispy. Season them with salt and they are ready to go. The last thing I need is 1 poached egg. So I make my water hot, put also a little bit of vinegar in, make a vortex, put the egg slowly in and wait 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the size of the egg. And now I have everything ready, so let's do the plating. I start with potato dices, put the poached egg on the top, season the egg with salt and pepper, few dots of chili puree, few fresh Michelin leaves, and then our amazing Vichyssoise soup. Originally, is this soup served cold, but I like it personally more hot, so you can try both and find out what is better for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to learn fine dining cooking from me personally, check out the link in the description down below and apply for my one-on-one coaching, because I'm looking for 2 more guys to start from the next month, so you have chance now. And that's everything for today, and I see you next time.